Ungrounded circuits pose a significant safety hazard, as they lack a path for fault currents. Bonded neutrals and grounds at the subpoles create potential for net currents and electromagnetic fields, which can interfere with electronics and other devices. Here are options for grounding. Firstly, install a ground rod and ground wire. Install a copper-clad steel ground rod, a minimum of 8 feet long, at the service entrance and run a number 4 or larger copper ground wire from the rod to the service panel's grounding bus. Secondly, bond to the city water line. Ensure that the water pipe is conductive and properly grounded at its source. Thirdly, install isolated grounding receptacles. Install isolated grounding receptacles in each room. These receptacles have a separate grounding conductor that is connected directly to a ground rod or bonding point. Avoid disturbing old wiring. Handle the old wire with extreme caution to prevent damage. If necessary, consult with an electrician to assess its condition and potential risks. Verify subpanel grounding. Ensure that all subpoles have a proper grounding connection back to the service panel. Consider surge suppression. Install surge suppression devices on essential electronics and appliances to protect against transient voltage spikes. Document and label clearly. Label all added grounding measures for future reference. Based on the information provided, I recommend pursuing the following steps. 1. Install a ground rod and ground wire at the service entrance. 2. Remove the bonded neutral ground connections at the subpanels. 3. Install isolated grounding receptacles in each room. 4. Verify that the city water line is properly grounded. 5. Consult with an electrician to assess the condition of the old wiring and provide further recommendations if necessary. It's always advisable to consult with a licensed electrician for professional advice and assistance when dealing with electrical safety concerns.